But some of their stuff is yay and some is nay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And if you are new here, then please go subscribe. It'd be nice. I just have a bit of foundation on and eyeliner that just never seems to come off my face. So yeah, today I am doing a full face, sort of, apart from the foundation, on the Makeup Revolution brand. So let's get started. The Pro Brows palette has 6 different shades in it, but I do not think they are 6 different shades. They all look quite the same whenever you are putting them on, so I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in with this. And the other one, I need to wax my eyebrows, no judging, so they won't be beautiful today, but you know, this is just the kind of thing that we have to go through, not being bothered doing our eyebrows. Sisters, not twins, or not even cousins in this case. Aww. Okay, what else have I got? Eye primer. It is Focus and Fix Eye Primer by, you guessed it, Makeup Revolution. So I'm gonna put this all around my eye. This is probably best putting on before foundation, but you know, it's Makeup Revolution, it's Makeup Revolution video. So here we go. That is very watery and it dries actually pretty quick, so I need to get this shit on. Just use this wee, oh, my mirror moved. Just use this wee brush and blend that in. Does brighten up the eye area a wee bit, but I mean, it doesn't even cover that eyeliner, and you know, I just don't like it. I don't like it. Like, if I didn't use this wee brush and I just used what they put it in with, it would be disgusting looking, just not good. I have the Ultra Color Explosion eyeshadow palette, this one, or the Welcome to the Pleasure Dome, which is this one with the dirty mirror. And because I am going with the purple sort of shade, I am just going to stick with the browns and play it safe, as you do. The Salvation palette has 12 different shimmers in it, which are quite nice, but I would normally just use the first kind of few there, more towards the browns and champagne shades, and then they have 6 matte shades underneath, which are all your smoky sort of eyes. And I'm going to take the SK02 brush, and it's like a little brown shade. And just pat that on to the edge and blend it up. You know, this colour actually does pack on really well, but whenever you start blending out, it just blends away to nothing. Like literally nothing. But let's continue. Like, look at that packing on, and then you start to blend it and it just disappears. Bye bye brown. Nice little champagne shade, and just place that all around my eyes. And now I'm going to take a little tiny brush and go back in to the brown and put that underneath. And then the black shade here, using the same brush, and just smudge along the lash line to give us eyeliner, because I don't have a Makeup Revolution eyeliner. And this look is so soft that hopefully it'll work. That is a good black actually. I'm quite liking that. Yeah, I like that. This is my sort of, you know, Christmas sort of look. Because it's coming up to Christmas time. By the way, you can check out my full 12 days of Christmas in the link below. That's coming soon. Put on this, it is not one for playing games. Lip cream, not one for playing games, is just that. It is a cream, it doesn't dry matte, and it doesn't feel so much like a lipstick either. It's like a light pinky sort of purple shade. This is literally the only Makeup Revolution one I had, unless you wanted to see an extremely pink one, which wasn't happening. But we will make it better, hopefully. So I am using the brow palette, the HD brow palette, to do the bronzer because I haven't got a bronzer. And yeah, I'm just swiping that across. I'm not wanting to build that up too much, you know. Put too much on. Blend it. Doesn't look too bad actually. Put a wee bit round just to blend it in. And blusher time. Blusher time. Then we have the Blush Dream palette. It has 5 different shades of blusher and 3 highlighters, and oh, a lot came out there on that one. A lot came out. Yeah, that's a bit pinker than I was expecting. And I'm going to take this for highlight. Ooh. 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 I like that. I'll go in little yellow one around. Oh, nope, that yellow is too much. I'll go in it again anyway. Too much. This is very cutesy. This palette is very, yeah, cutesy. Is that a word? I don't know. Right, so that is me done for this video. I just put on some lashes and I am done. So yes, if you have liked this video, then please go like it, love it, and subscribe to it. So go do it. Thank you. Okay, and enough with me. Let me know in the comments down below which Makeup Revolution stuff you like, and if you try out any of these products, let me know what you think. Maybe it's not the same thing as me, maybe it's just my skin just not working with it, I don't know. Or maybe it did work for me, didn't work for you. Go test it out, let me know in the comments down below, and remember to subscribe. Bye!